This massive $80 billion lithium mine sits completely flooded deep within the isolated American desert. Millions of gallons of highly purified water continuously submerge these incredibly expensive strategic mineral reserves today. America executed this radical engineered master plan to completely cut off access to vital battery mineral resources.
In this silent economic war, billions of dollars.
When global trade tensions peaked, private mining companies rapidly abandoned their highly lucrative industrial production operations. Giant automated cranes suddenly stopped moving across the facility as massive floodgates opened up completely safely. This deliberate disruption represents a calculated geopolitical strategy to permanently rearrange global electric vehicle supply chains.
Advanced transportation networks quickly evacuated specialized engineering staff before the final flooding protocols were fully activated.
Massive automated valves smoothly control the immense liquid flow into the giant underground white mineral caverns. Highly responsive satellite networks continuously monitor changing water levels over these flooded lithium basins daily, safely.
Superpowers realize that traditional resource monopolies won't ever guarantee absolute dominance in this modern electronic era.
Pristine processing facilities now sit completely empty, awaiting future global market stabilization after this massive transition. Flooding these highly valuable assets permanently prevents any unauthorized foreign extraction of pure, raw lithium minerals. Massive industrial cooling networks manage fluid temperatures, protecting underlying geological formations from sudden structural atmospheric changes.
The vast scale of this engineered lake stretches endlessly across the totally barren glowing golden desert.
Specialized chemical engineering techniques ensure the underlying lithium reserves remain completely secure beneath the heavy water.
Sleek, autonomous security drones constantly scan heavy concrete retaining walls, detecting microscopic fluid fractures with precision. Subterranean exploration teams systematically analyze underwater mineral states, maintaining absolute data control across the entire facility.
Commercial aviation networks continue regular flights oblivious to the massive geopolitical economic chess match occurring below.
Advanced digital algorithms ensure highly classified data remains perfectly protected during this critical industrial transition today. Colossal mechanical cranes carefully install heavy concrete seals, securing abandoned subterranean mining tunnels from external elements.
Precise engineering instruments confirm the optimal flooding thresholds have been successfully achieved across the entire basin.
Elite financial planners quietly evaluate the long-term macroeconomic impacts of this unprecedented resource preservation strategy. Automated warehouse systems maintain perfect readiness inside surrounding facilities, managing essential technical component engineering reserves flawlessly.
Secure data transmission networks instantly communicate vital facility parameters directly to Central Security Headquarters continuously every day.
The glowing red sun sets behind this monumental engineering marvel, casting long shadows over global markets. High-capacity filtration systems process every single gallon of incoming fluid, ensuring absolute environmental safety standards. Quiet maintenance facilities serve as powerful historical reminders of highly advanced modern geopolitical resource management strategies. Witness how total absolute engineering power ruthlessly dictates the survival of entire technological industries worldwide.
Would you gladly build a massive $80 billion project to protect your nation's future security?